Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are going to do an unboxing for Sephora Play. I got it in the mail and I wanted to get into it, and if there's noises, don't worry about them. They're just people walking around. So it says that this box is stress busting and it has a beauty chart, which is kind of cool. Not gonna lie, I kind of like it. And then it tells me everything I got, except it's not the same thing that was in my email, so I'm kind of confused. So, Sephora Play is a $10 a month beauty subscription. You get 5 to 6 samples, usually 5 samples and a bonus item. And it's shipped every month. And it's items that you can buy in Sephora, which is really cool. So, let's just get into it. They come in these plastic bags, and you know, I really wish it was an actual makeup bag, not a plastic bag. I really don't reuse these. I kind of throw them away. So, let me open this up, and I will tell you everything I got as I got it, which is not the same items that are in my email. So we're going to start with the bonus item, which is this item. It says it's Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb. It says it's warm and spicy. And how do you get into this thing? I guess I tear at the periphery. It says you don't need to be an earth sign to appreciate this warm and spicy floral scent, featuring jasmine and patchouli. I like the little spray bottles. It's really nice to get a little tiny sample. Perfume is expensive, and sometimes you just like to smell it first, and I like that. I used to get these when my grandma used to get stuff like at Avon and stuff, and they were these little vials that had this little dipper in it, and I loved them. I thought that I was the queen. Oh, that sounds really nice. But I would use them with my Barbies and stuff too. So I kind of like it, and it smells really good. So that's called Flower Bomb. It doesn't really tell me how much it is for a full size, but it's really nice. So the next item is the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I think this is exactly, oh, this is the cream. So I've gotten stuff by this brand, Belief. Before, I've got the hydrating, not the cream, this one's, ooh, the cream. But it's like a gel serum looking thing, and it is like awesome. So I'm hoping that, oh yeah, that's nice. I really like that. It's not greasy either. It just feels like you put cream and water on. I like it. So, and this is 0.33 fluid ounces, which is kind of nice. It says the Mystic Moisturizer draws its power from apothecary herbs like comfrey leaf to provide up to 26 hours of hydration. Ooh. The next item is by Kat Von D, and it's the tattoo liner. I actually have this in this size and in full size. I actually do like these. It's kind of nice. It's got a really good tip, and it goes on really smoothly, and I like it. I like it a lot. A lot. Doesn't smudge right away either. And you get a lot of these with subscription boxes, and I love going through them, so it's kind of nice. The next item is by Glam Glow. And it says it's Super Mud Activated Charcoal Treatment Mask. I'm not going to open it. It is a smaller sample, but it looks like it's full. It says allow this purifying charcoal infused mask to provide clarity for your skin and your psyche. So you just put a thin layer over your clean, dry skin or a spot, blemishes, invisible pores, and leave it on until it hardens. You'll feel a tingle and then rinse it off with warm water. Seems simple. I've not used a lot from Glam Glow, so can't wait to give it a try. The next item is by Tarte, and this is a foundation. So it's just a little thing of foundation. I hope it's my color, because I know all of these things are working at trying to get you your color. Actually, it might be close to my color. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I should be able to use this. So this is the, this is, says it's Tarte and Fairlight Sand, and it is, it just says the broad spectrum foundation. Just like the moon and the stars, the radiant skincare meets foundation is a perfect combination. So it's got sunflower seed and palm oil. But yeah, just a little teeny tiny foundation. That's kind of nice. And the last item is by NARS, and it's in the color American Woman. This is a super wearable chestnut rose lip stain. It is not only long lasting, super easy to apply, but it's ultra comfortable. And this is what it looks like. This looks really cute, actually. I like it. I like the color. I like the little applique. It's really cute. And now I look like the Joker. That's fantastic. And that's all done. But yeah, I like it. It's a really pretty color. Don't laugh at me too hard. So that's what I got. I got a lip stain and a foundation, an eyeliner, a mask, a perfume, and a hydrator. So 6 items, and they're really like getting this stuff. It makes me feel good about myself to come home and put a little bit on and go about my day. So I thank you all for watching. Make sure you comment and like and subscribe and all that fun stuff. And I'll try to leave all the links in the comments below, so that if you are interested in getting the Sephora Play, you can just click the link and go right there. And I need to quit saying so much. So you have a fantastic day. Stay warm. It's really cold where I'm at. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.